Hi viewers and dear students. This video today is about perform search in database, which is also called manipulation of data, how we manipulate the data and how we can extract the data. It is only done with the help of queries in the database. So if you have any database and it has some table which contains fields, and you're looking for and records, and you're looking for some specific records to be extracted from the main table, like if in your school you have sections of class 9, and you have the data for all nines like A, B, C, and you want to extract only the student those who are in class 9C. So it can be done with the help of queries. How we can do this? We are just going to perform some of the queries here. It will help you to learn how to make a query and how to perform extraction. So as they have mentioned here, like a customer would like a car made by Ford. Here I have some tables. So car table has information about different cars. So what I need to do is I need to separate the cars which are made by Ford. So in this case I just need to click on create, then query wizard, then click on simple query wizard, just click on OK, and then we have the car table with all the fields. So I'm just going to get all the fields from that table and just click on next, and then just click on next again, and then modify here. For example, you want to give the name to your query, a proper name, Ford cars, then just click on open or just click on finish here. So you see here all the field, all the records are here, but we did not perform the search yet to look for specific cars which are made by Ford. How we can do this? Just right click and modify by clicking on design view and manufacturer. In the column of manufacturer and criteria row, I'm just typing here Ford. Small letter, capital letter, doesn't matter. You just click on save and run the query, so you will get the details of all the cars made by Ford. So this is how we can perform the search using the query. In the same way, if they ask you to perform the search by using some operators here, like we will be using the operator as well, but here, like for example, a manager would like to see all the cars detail of all the Ford that need valeting. So you need all the Ford cars which need the valeting. So you just need to click on design view here and just go to the valeting column here, and then just type here need valeting and just type yes. When you click on save and run now, this time you will get 2 records only, those which need valeting and they are made by Ford. That is in 2 different columns. Now in the same way, now if they ask you that the manager would like to see all the details of all the cars made by Ford or Vauxhall, so in this case you need to click on design view. So I don't need this one, I'm just going to delete this one, and we'll go to our Ford column here, and here we need the cars made by Ford space or is an operator here, and Vauxhall, like this. And when you click on run here, you will get all the cars made by Ford and Vauxhall only. So you can use or operator if it is more than 2, and if you are looking for Toyota cars also, so you can also type here or Toyota and when you click on run, you will get the detail of Toyota cars as well. Now go to design view again and just move forward to the next. Like what else we can do in this queries, like now we need the cars which are not made by Ford. So when you don't need the cars made by Ford, so in the same manufacturer column here, not is an operator, not Ford. You can type not, or you can type this operator Ford, and when you click on run, so the cars not made by Ford, all of them are here, but those which are made by Ford, you will not get them into your list here. So you can use the not operator, or you can simply type not as well. In both the cases it will work. Now if in case we need to get the cars with alloy wheels, so this is something very important. We use an operator which is called star operator. This star operator, they are also calling that wildcards. Like for example, if you look at the extras column here, you have some cars which are made by they have alloy wheels, but they have some other functionalities as well, like air conditioning, but it is written after alloy wheel. So when I'm going to perform the search in such case, so what I'm going to do, I will type in extras here, for example alloy double L alloy wheels. When you click on run, this time it shows us only 2 cars which are made by alloy wheels. But as I told you, some cars they have alloy wheels, but they have some other functionalities as well. So if you type a star at the end, let's see, the number of records will increase now. So there are some cars which have alloy wheels, but they have air conditioning and alarm as well. There may be some cars which have alloy wheels, but before that they have some records also. So I put the star operator here as well. When I click on run, this time I will get all the cars in my table which are having alloy wheels and some other functions as well. So this is how we use the wildcard, and you can see we have here one operator. It is written here like. So like they have alloy wheels but some other functions as well. Now is what we have done with the wildcards. This you see it's written here wildcard search. Now in case if you want to look for the cars in stock of sales less than or equal to 4,125 pound, so we are going to use mathematical operator that is called greater than, less than, or less than or greater than all of them. So sales price, I need less than and equal to 4125. So when I click on run, so if you look at the sales price, they are equal to 4,125, but some of them they are less than, none of them is more than 4,125. So this is how we use a less than and greater than operator. And you can also use some other operators, like for example I want to type here greater than 1000. Let's see what will happen this time. So all of them are greater than 1025. So this is what we have about the queries. That is in case if you are using a single table. And now in case if I'm using or I'm creating a query from more than 2 tables, like these 2 tables, so make sure, as I explained in the previous video about the forms, whenever you are creating the form, make sure if you are getting the fields from 2 tables, they are linked with each other. So as these 2 tables are linked with each other, I'm going to get some information from it. Like as they mentioned, we need the list, Mr. Verla, a list of all the students, that he teaches for math include in his instruction his full name and teaching room. So the students information they need, but as well as for Mr. Varela they need the full name and teaching room as well. So in this case what I'm going to do, will just click on create query by wizard and student table I will click. So I need, as they mention, I need the student name. So let me get all these fields from the table. Yeah, that is from student table. Yes, we just just go back to teachers table. Yeah, we will get from here all the first name, second name, like first name, second name, then after we can get the room, and then we'll get the student code as well, and then we will move to the teachers students table now, and from student table we will just get the first name, last name and math. We'll just click on next and just just click on finish, and I'm going to name it, for example, Mr. Varela students list. When I click on finish, let's see what will happen. Here if you look at, I have math field, okay, but only Mr. Varela has the code AVA. So I'm going to perform search now by just clicking design view, and then in the S code I'm just typing AVA, small capital doesn't matter. You click on run. Now you have all the AVA student and math code here, and the student name is here and student second name. Now if you need only these specific records, you can just uncheck some records from the your query and search, and then you will get the details. If in case if you don't need this first name and second name of the teacher, you don't need the subject, you need the not the code even, you need only the room and student number. So just click on run. So that is room, student number, and that is his subject that he is taking. So this is how we perform search in database and how we create the query as well. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have understand how to create the queries in this video. Please write the comments if you have anything about this video, and we'll see you in next video. Thanks again.